Hello students, welcome to TLE Cookery 9 class. Our lesson for today's module is about classification of sandwiches. But before we begin, let's have first a review of the previous lesson. In view of the pictures, identify the ingredients used in sandwich preparation. Refer to the options below. Pause the video for you to have time to answer the activity. For your pretest, classify the different pictures of sandwich. Write HS if the sandwich is hot, then mark CS if the sandwich is considered cold. Again, you can pause the video so you can have time to answer the activity. Let's proceed to our lesson. Types of sandwich. There are 3 types of sandwich. There are primarily 3 types of sandwiches, and they are categorized according to their presentation and ambience. They are 1. Open sandwich. The filling is decorated in a single slice of bread. Open sandwiches are complicated because they need a high degree of balance when changing filling and cutting in some fancy shapes. 2. Closed sandwich. The fillings in these types of sandwiches are presented between 2 or more slices of bread. Trimming and cutting are important aspects while preparing this type of sandwich. The styles of number of fillings shall be determined in which they are cut and served. 3. Cooked sandwich. The kind of sandwich is either grilled or toasted. Toasted sandwich, bread toast of 2 or 3 decker, either closed or open, are laid up with its required fillings after the batter is toasted. Batter should be spread on the top or between the slices of bread and should be warmed in a salamander. They are cut and shaped into even sizes and served either open or closed with an accompaniment. Grilled sandwich. Bread of 2 or 3 decker, either closed or open, shall place on top or between the slices, spreading batter. They are grilled in an oven or griddled till brown without burning them. The grilled sandwich is better eaten with salad. Sandwiches are classified into 2, hot and cold sandwich. Cold sandwich is a type of sandwich that is served with cold filling. There are different kinds of cold sandwich. One is open-faced sandwich. It makes use of one form of filling sandwich on top. You may cut the slices of white bread into squares, triangles, and circles. 2. Regular cold sandwiches. A plain sandwich made up of 2 slices of bread, preferably a day-old bread, toasted if desired and can be spread easily with butter. The crust may or not be removed depending on your choice. 3. Pinwheel sandwiches. They are made of bread cut lengthwise, around 3/8-inch thick. Trim the crust and flatten the long slices with a rolling pin. Spread bread with softened butter or any other fillings like cream cheese, peanut butter, and jam. 4. Tea sandwiches. These are small fancy sandwich made from sweet, light, delicate ingredients and bread that has been trimmed of crust. They are often cut into fancy shapes, squares, or rectangles. Examples. 5. Multi-decker sandwiches. They are made with more than 2 slices of bread and with several ingredients in the fillings. Example, clubhouse sandwich. 6. Wrapped or rolled sandwiches. The wraps are sandwiches in which the fillings are wrapped like Mexican burrito in a large flour, tortilla of similar flat bread. Another classification of sandwich is hot sandwich. Opposite to cold sandwich, this type of sandwich is served hot and with hot fillings. There are also different kinds of hot sandwich. 1. Regular hot sandwiches. Each hot sandwich consists of hot fillings, usually meats, but often fish, vegetables between 2 slices of bread. They may also contain items that are not hot like tomato or raw onion on a hamburger. 2. Hot open-faced sandwiches. They are made by placing buttered or unbuttered bread on a serving plate, covering it with a hot meat or other filling and finish with a sauce. Example, pizza. 3. Grilled sandwiches. They are simple sandwiches that are buttered on the outside and browned on the griddle in a hot oven. Cheese sandwiches are popular for grilling. 4. Deep fried sandwiches. They are made by dipping sandwiches in beaten egg and breadcrumbs and then deep fried. Example, ham and cheese rolled fried sandwich. 5. Field rolls, focaccia or pita bread. They are flavored bread served with sauce or dips such as quesadilla and burritos. Focaccia bread. Focaccia is a flat oven-baked Italian bread product similar in style and texture to pizza dough. It may be topped with herbs or other ingredients. Pita bread. Pita or pita, also known as Arabic bread, Lebanese bread, or Syrian bread, is a soft, slightly leavened flat bread baked from wheat flour, which originated in the Near East, most probably Mesopotamia, around 2500 BC. Those are the types and classifications of sandwich. Now, let us see if you learned something by doing these activities. For letter A, hot or cold, use the table below to classify them whether they belong to hot or cold sandwich. B. Sandwich chart. Based on what you've learned about the classification of sandwich, supply the box with the necessary item to show the relationship of each sandwich. You can pause the video so you can answer your activities. For your post test, read the statement carefully, choose the best answer from the given choices. For your performance task, which will be done at home, make an example of simple hot or cold sandwich, capture the step-by-step procedure of your task, and create a video out of it, then submit it via Messenger. The criteria below will be used to rate your output. Ingredients 20%, procedure 50%, presentation or video is 30% for a total of 100%. That's all for today. Thank you and keep safe.